Yo soy Anita, de los 5 años salgo a trabajar en las calles y me iba a limpiar parabrisas, cuidar autos, porque le tenía que ayudar a mi abuela y mi abuela también trabajaba mucho.
This is the story of many children in Paraguay. But one day, Anita's reality began to change with the protection of a hug. Embrace Program for the progressive reduction of child labor in the streets. While working on the streets, Anita was observed by educators from the Embrace Program. They asked where she came from and how they could contact her family. Days later, a social worker visited Anita's grandmother in her community. She spoke with her and she accepted the Embrace Program's invitation. Since then, Anita and her brothers have not had to work. Every morning, they attend a center from the program and then go to school in the afternoon.
Y ahora ya no salgo más a limpiar ni a cuidar autos porque acá yo me baño, me dan de comer, me ayudan en mis estudios y juego.
Embrace is a state program that seeks to protect children who work in public spaces, providing support to their families, aside from safe and healthy spaces for children.
Instalándose el programa Abrazo, hubo un lugar donde puede decir, sí, ahí está mi hijo, que están, puede ser que esté tal parte o puede ser que esté allá, sino que tuvieron un lugar donde ir a recrearse, a estudiar y un lugar de apoyo para ellos mismos. Y de a poco ir viendo que se van superando ellos mismos, da gusto trabajar con ellos.
Embrace was founded in 2005, and since 2008, it has been coordinated by the National Secretariat for Children and Adolescents. Since its beginnings, the program receives support from the United Nations Children's Fund, or UNICEF. Embrace is part of the Social Development Plan 2020, as one of 11 flagship programs designed to meet with the social, political priorities of the national government. Thousands of families in our country live in poverty and struggle daily to survive. However, the lack of jobs, low education, and inadequate training are some of the factors that decrease their chances of progress. Amid all this, the most affected are the children. Embrace is a program that respects and guarantees the right of every child to receive education and healthcare, to live safely in their home environment.
Abrazo es una respuesta social de protección integral para niños y niñas que están en situación de calle. Una respuesta que busca la salida progresiva de los niños que tienen que salir a trabajar para su sobrevivencia en los espacios públicos.
How does the program work? Embrace is organized into 4 components that complement one another. During the street work, educators monitor public spaces permanently and gain the working children's trust and their families, generating a learning space and linkage to services. The second component of the program are the centers, alternative spaces to the streets that are not intended to replace the family nor the community. In these, educators receive the children daily to provide them with an adequate feeding with the promotion of healthy hygiene habits, where they can do their homework and enjoy healthy recreation activities. All children of scholar age attend school and opposed to the centers. Embrace offers 3 types of centers. Protection centers, suitable for babies, children from infancy through the age of 5. Open centers, for children of ages 6 to 14, located near the intersections of streets where they carry out economic activities. Communitary facilities, implemented in the districts where it increases the risk of child labor for children.
Lo que busca la educadora es crear un vínculo entre ella y el niño o la niña, ¿verdad? A través de actividades interesantes, a través de actividades que a ellos les gusta, ¿verdad? De repente con películas, con juegos, con canciones, con lecturas de cuentos, ¿verdad? Esto hace que de a poco el niño o la niña se vaya interesando por las actividades o por las propuestas que presenta la educadora.
The program's strength lies in the containment work to the family and to the communitarian environment, protecting children from abuse, neglect, and exploitation. The family component is the program's third link. A professional staff of social workers is in charge of accompanying every nuclear family in a process of development and self-management. Through a system of visits, their needs are identified, and it is the family with the program support who establishes and develops a plan for improvement. Families with the most needs also receive food baskets and solidarity bonds with shared responsibility agreements.
Sí o sí el niño que está en el programa Abrazo tiene que estar escolarizado. No es porque el programa quiere, sino que es porque es su derecho. Y también el compromiso de los padres en asumir la escolarización de sus hijos. Eso es la manera cotidiana del trabajo con la familia. Después tenemos el tema de salud, vacunación. La exigencia sí o sí que los niños menores hasta 8 años nosotros exigimos sí o sí. Utilizamos las instituciones del Estado para proveer ese servicio a la familia.
The fourth and last component strengthens safety nets and helps ensure public services for health, education, and identification at community, municipal, and departmental levels. Through continuous work, Embrace currently protects more than 1,900 children and has the challenge of extending its coverage as a flagship program for the Social Development Plan. Today, Embrace covers over 15 districts. The children's situation of working in the streets is a reality that touches and engages us all. It requires us to reflect on what we can do for one another. As people, it forces us to think about more effective ways to help, which does not promote the retention of children in the streets.
En el caso de Encarnación, nosotros por más esfuerzo y empeño que pongamos y destinar además ingentes recursos, muchas veces igual nos vemos desbordados ante la presencia masiva de niños y niñas de otros distritos aledaños a los nuestros que no cuentan con este tipo de inversión. Creo que es importante que esta red sea a nivel nacional y que a todos se les pueda dar la posibilidad de invertir en para solucionar esta problemática.
We have an embrace that we can multiply for all children who need to be protected from child labor in the streets. From each of the municipalities, with citizen involvement and with support of the National Secretariat for Children and Adolescents, we have an embrace that can change their lives.
La Secretaría de la Niñez y Adolescencia, como ente articulador del sistema de protección de niñez, busca, junto con las municipalidades, implementar el programa Abrazo como una propuesta social a nivel local. Esto implica que no queremos repetir los modelos que se dan a nivel de Asunción o de Central, sino adaptar a las realidades que cada comunidad vive. Y las municipalidades son centrales en esta propuesta educativa porque tienen la llegada directa con la comunidad y con la gente.
We want to continue embracing and protecting the children. We want to continue to support more families. We want to continue our work to build a better Paraguay. Embrace program for the progressive reduction of child labor in the streets. Supported by UNICEF.